We just got back down off the trail system. This is really cool old building that's fallen in. Not sure what it used to be. Steel and the concrete's left. And that's about it. Oh, there's a pile of coal over here. It's a big building at one point. Let's go, Brandon. Get rich or die trying. Cool place. Yeah, this is really nice. Mike D knows all the good spots. I got my foot wet. Oh my gosh. We back at Campbell's Creek, bro? What road is this? Do you know?
No.
Is this on that route or something you kind of cooked up?
Man, I know this hooks back up to where I was at before. I could dig through my old rods if I had service and find it. I don't know. There's like two spots down here, and I can't remember where you hit at. But we'll roll this for a little bit.
seemed pretty sure when you took that left. Oh my God.
I would not suggest that line.
No. Buddy, I'm on a Versys 650. I'm taking it easy everywhere. Deepy McDeeperson?
Deepy McDeep.
Oh, my foot is soaked!
Yeah, I told you.
Oh my gosh. Dude.
Sorry, bro.
I just went through it too fast and it throws it up on my feet. Gosh. Oh well. Whoa, 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 whoa. Taking this one slower. Yeah, taking this one slow. Yeah, if I do it slow, I'm fine. But if I hit him with any speed, it throws the water perfectly on my feet.
You're wild riding mountain.
Me? I hear you giving her the old burp up there. Letting her eat.
Muddy up here. Not sure about that. A little muddy.
A little muddy and some peeps. Wonder if they're logging.
I don't know, maybe. Can we go around that?
Looks like they're logging.
Yeah.
What did he say?
We go that way. I'm trying. Don't get stuck.
It's all fun, right?
Nasty. I'm skating.
Did he say if it got worse or better?
I don't know.
Why didn't you ask?
I don't know. Thought you were going to.
Oh my Lanza. Holy smokes.
Come here. Going up?
Hold on.
Yeah, probably not.
I got a bug in my freaking...
What's going on here? I don't know about all this, dude.
Is anybody up there?
I don't see anybody, but geez, it's nasty.
Yeah, we should have asked them if where it went, or do you know where it goes?
No. Thought I did, but I don't. Where you at?
Right behind you. I got a bug in my helmet.
Oh, okay.